Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys the weather in United Kingdom. It is so windy outside, it is 40 miles per hour. So let's go outside and see how it is. It is like a date to me now. Adventurous. Oh, come, 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 come. Don't go outside guys, it is so windy outside. Stay inside. Is not coming, but stay inside, stay home, take care of your dogs and your children. The wind is so heavy, and you can see the dustbins, they are all floating above. Everything is floating away. I was just outside for just few minutes just to show you guys how the weather is outside. I'm right now in Leicester City in United Kingdom. It is everywhere the same in Birmingham, Manchester, all everywhere it is 40 miles per hour. It is blowing away people also. In the morning I've seen a dog, it was blowing, but her owner took it away. So just take care of your dogs, kittens, and also yourselves. Take care of your kids as well, don't send them outside. Stay inside and stay safe. uh, just let the weather get down, and then you can go outside. Just make yourselves comfortable at homes. And if you have anything urgent, just try to do it online. And if not, just you can reschedule it some other days. But for today and tomorrow also, it is showing again windy. So keep searching your weather and see the weather conditions before you go outside, and just stay safe. And be healthy and happy. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. It is just like a day to me now. It is so windy outside, so enjoy your day.